I've seen so many recipes for a flour tortilla pizza. And being gluten-free, it's really hard to buy or find pizzas that you like. So I figured, why not try a tortilla pizza? Aldi does sell them, but I already had some flour tortillas that are gluten-free, so I didn't buy any from the store. But in the captions, you will see that they do sell GF-free tortillas. They sell the spinach ones and the regular ones. And then I'm gonna just use the marinara that I had used for also my mozzarella sticks. I really like this one, so I stick to it. I'm just gonna put a couple tablespoons in it, maybe 3, just to kind of give an even balance. And then I'm going to put in about an eighth, or is it a quarter? It's a quarter of a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning, and a quarter of a teaspoon of the garlic powder. Just to kind of give it some flavor, because pizza's got taste, so why not give it a little extra taste?
Well, hopefully it has taste, because if somebody makes a pizza without taste,
that's boring.
That is boring. Spread it around, Luigi. Good job.
Give it a good spread. Open up some cheese, and I have noticed that gluten-free cheese is sold at Aldi as well, because not all cheese is gluten-free. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on there, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of pepperoni. And yes, these pepperonis are gluten-free. Not all pepperoni is. Has a nice little gluten-free right there up in the corner.
Also Aldi, right?
Yeah, also Aldi.
Everything's Aldi. Everything's on a budget.
As budget-friendly as possible. And all of us gluten-free people know it's not cheap to be gluten-free. I'm going to sprinkle a little extra cheese on top. Take a little extra of the Italian seasoning and sprinkle it on top. Now I'll transfer it to a pan. Once my oven is all heated up, and I'm going to cook it at 375, and I will show you the finished product.